Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We look at the price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Wednesday, March 8th. At 3:30 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency pairs. At 6:45 p.m. we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. And at 8:30 p.m. we have high impact news plan for Canadian dollar related currency pairs and US dollar related currency pairs. At 11:31 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So we have lots of high impacting and medium impacting news plan for many of the major currency pairs. So we can expect a volatility in the market for today. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the trend of the price action in daily time frame, we are noticing it to trend on the bearish side. Previously, it has pulled back to make a retracement on the bullish side. Then it fell on the bearish side. Again, it has made a pullback on the bullish side. And again, we are noticing the price action to fall back on the bearish side. But again, this level of 1805 is going to be acting as a very strong support for the current price action, because this is from where we have noticed a price action to pull back on the bullish side retracement. So it has to break this support level in order to continue with current bearish trend. And on the bullish side, it has to break the previous high of 1857 in order to continue with bullish side trend reversal. So this whole zone between 1857 to 1805 is going to be acting as a very strong support and resistance level. And as long as the price action is trading between this support and resistance level, we can expect a sideways trend to continue in daily time frame. But closely looking at the previous candle, it has closed without any wicks, which shows the strength of the bearishness in daily time frame, which means that we can expect the price action to breach this support level of 1805, and the confirmation on the breach of this strong support level of 1805 will come only when the price action breaks with a very strong bearish candle. We can have several tests to this support level, but it has to break with a very strong bearish candle in order to get the confirmation on the breach of this strong support level. After which we can expect the bearish trend to continue in daily time frame also. For now, it has closed with a very strong bearish candle. Let us wait and see today if the price action breaks this support level also with a very strong bearish candle. So once the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1793, 1741 and 1690. These are all very strong support levels from the past price action. And if the bearish trend is still stronger, we can expect to break these previous support levels also, because the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend in daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame. When we look at the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame, I'm drawing a trend line or a resistance line and one more trend line. And as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1805 from the daily time frame, next level of support is going to be the trend line from the past price action and also the support level from the daily time frame, which is around 1793. Once the price action breaks this support level of 1793, we can expect a very steep fall in 4 hours time frame also. And next level of support from the daily time frame is going to be around 1741. So for now, in 4 hours time frame also, the current trend is looking very bearish. Wait for the price action to break the previous low of 1805 in order to get the confirmation on the bearish trend continuation. So currently, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1815 and support level of 1805. Once the support level is broken on the bearish side, next level of support is going to be around 1791. And once the support is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1773, 1750 and 1741. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1815 and continues its bullish side retracement, next level of resistance is going to be around 1825, 1837 and 1857. And only when the price action breaks the resistance level of 1857, it will be the start of the bullish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame, we have noticed a price action to trend on the bullish side retracement after taking support around the support level of 1804, and after testing the resistance level of 1857, we have noticed a price action to again bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So the price action is trading between the 1804 and 1857 on a sideways momentum. Once the price action gives a breakout from this support level or the resistance level, we can expect the directional momentum to start in hourly time frame. And as long as the price action is trading within this support and resistance level, we can expect the sideways momentum to continue in hourly time frame. And since the current price action is in a bearish trend, once this support level of 1804 is broken, we can expect the continuation of the bearish trend because it will be breaking the previous low of 1804. For now, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1816 and support level of 1804. Once the support level of 1804 is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1894 and 1848, which means that it will be breaking this trend line from the 4 hours time frame also, and we can expect a very sharp fall on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1816, next level of resistance is going to be around 1825, 1832, 1837, 1841, 1848 and 1857. And this whole area between 1837 to 1825 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone for the price action in hourly time frame. And once this resistance level is broken, we have the 4 hours time frame resistance line also, and the daily time frame resistance level also. It has to break all these resistance levels in order to make a bullish side trend reversal in hourly time frame. Let us mark the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and in 30 minutes time frame previously we have noticed a price action to trend on the bearish side within this bearish channel pattern, and after a strong news it has given a breakout from this channel pattern on the bearish side with a very steep fall. And the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame also. And if the price action takes support around the support level of 18.4 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement also, this previous bearish channel pattern will be acting as a resistance zone for the future price action. So we have lots of resistance levels on the bullish side. Currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame is still in a bearish trend, trading between the resistance level of 1814 and support level of 1805. Once this support level is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1794. And on the bullish side, if the price action takes support around the support level of 1805 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1814. Once this resistance level is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1822, 1828, 1834, 1843 and 1854. Since this level of 1805 is a very strong support level from the past price action, we can expect little bit of bounce back on the bullish side, but it will not be a trend reversal. It will be considered as a pullback on the bullish side. And as long as the price action is trading below this 4 hours time frame resistance line, we can expect a bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. The current trend of the price action in 15 minutes time frame is also in a very strong bearish trend, and if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1805. And once this support level is broken, we can expect the bearish side trend to continue in 15 minutes time frame also. And if the price action takes support around the support level of 1805 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1816. Once this resistance is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1823, 1828, 1834, 1842 and 1851. This area between 1842 to 1828 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone for the current price action in 15 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.